Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Today we have an open house tour located here in the village of Rio Grande in the northern part of the Villages. This home is offered at $369,000. It is wood framed and it is 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Tim. Today we have an open home tour here in the village of Rio Grande in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that is block and stucco. I will take a panoramic view of the street. The front of this home does face north. That is facing east, friends. And that is facing west. As I walk up to this home, it has a very deep setback and it has beautiful painted concrete driveway. It has a 2-car garage. It is a block and stucco home as well, friends. It has very mature landscaping. It is located on a corner lot as well, very large lot. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Frances Pierce at Realty Executives. That is her contact information. I noticed that the walkway leading up to the front door is painted concrete as well. This home does have a very large seating area in the front. That is a better look at your roof line there, friends. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor in the foyer. I also notice this beautiful architecture. Off to the right, you do have a bifold raised panel door for a closet, and you do have an entry into the garage area. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarter, and I will visit that area first. This guest area does have carpeted floors. This is a guest bedroom, very neutrally decorated guest bedroom. It has closet organizers, bifold doors, raised panel as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Now I will take you into the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom, many upgrades in this home. Tile floors. That vanity is really awesome. 1 sink, granite countertops, many upgrades. That is a sliding glass door on the shower, and that surround is tile as well, with a decorative glass tile running through the middle of it. There is a solar tube in the ceiling of that bathroom. That bathroom is very light and bright. To the front of the home, we do have another guest bedroom. That guest bedroom does have a queen-size bed to give you perspective of the size of that room. It does have plantation shutters, acoustic textured ceilings as well. This room is carpeted, has raised panel bifold doors in the closet. Lots of upgrades, lots of attention has been paid to this home. Here in the living area, you do have laminate floors. They are gorgeous. You also have a solar tube, very high ceilings as well with acoustic texture. This is a split bedroom design home. Off to the right, you do have a primary bedroom. I will visit that later. Off to the left, you do have a kitchen. The kitchen, many upgrades. It has a composite plank floor, granite countertops, electric stove, glass tile backsplash, white cabinets with stainless hardware. This sink in the kitchen is a 2-bowl sink as well. There is a better look at your glass tile backsplash. This home is awesome. It has stainless appliances, very high acoustic textured ceilings in this home, plantation shutters. That is a sliding glass door that leads out into the Lanai area. And this Lanai does have a hot tub in it as well. Let's take a walk out there and see what that looks like. It also has painted concrete floor, very high ceilings in this Lanai. This Lanai does face south. There is a community of courtyard villas behind this home. That's why you see the wall, the concrete wall. Let's take a walk out into that yard and take a look at what this home has to offer. This home is offered at $369,000. That is the back of your home. I will show you the very large yard corner lot this home is on. That is your side yard there, friends. That is your home, back of your home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let's walk back into that home and take a look at the primary bedroom area. That door there does lead into the primary bedroom from the Lanai. Let's walk into that primary bedroom from the Lanai. This primary bedroom does have carpeted floors, plantation shutters, very high ceilings, acoustic texture, very neutrally decorated home. There is the door. It does have a glass window in the door leading out to the Lanai. Here's a better look at primary bedroom. It has 2 walk-in closets with sliding doors. Off to the left is a walk-in closet, wire rack shelves. Very nice. Very high ceilings too in this home. And off to the right is also another walk-in closet with sliding doors, raised panel. You do see tile floors in that bathroom. It also has a tile shower, frameless swinging door on that tile shower, very high ceilings, acoustic texture. It has a solar tube as well. That vanity is awesome, white vanity, granite countertops, 2 sinks, brushed stainless hardware. This bathroom does have a commode space. That is your commode space there. It has plantation shutters. Next I will walk through this home. I'll give you a tour of the 2-car garage. This is a block and stucco home located here in the village of Rio Grande. Here in the Villages, Florida. Here we are in the 2-car garage. This is a block and stucco home. Your laundry is in the corner of the garage right over there. This home is offered at $369,000. Located here in the village of Rio Grande. That is your hot water heater there, friends. That is your HVAC air handler system there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. This is panning off to the right, friends. This is panning off to the left. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, designer home located here in the village of Rio Grande, offered at $369,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Rio Grande. In the northern part of the villages, this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home is offered at $369,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.